Do you want to use an AI coding agent but don't really know where to get started? We're going to walk you through step by step exactly what you need. You can even just copy and paste everything in order to get going either with Claude Code or Codex, and you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get started. If you'd like, the link is in the description for all the prompts that we're using here, so you can use them and follow along, pause the video if you need, and pick back up as soon as your step finishes. So first off, we need to install Node.js. Both Codex and Claude Code need Node.js in order to install. A lot of install guides will skip that. So we have it right here, and we'll go ahead and paste that in and get started. Okay, that should be finished now. And I just want to acknowledge one thing. This is just part of a live demo. This screen changed a bit. Step 1, it's now broken up into Mac, Linux, and Windows. Just pick the right one for your operating system. Step 2, we are actually going to install our agent now. So I'm going to start with Claude Code, copy this, and it is going to go through and take a second, but it will get Claude Code installed. And if you hit an error like I just did, you need to put sudo in front of it. I will update my commands accordingly, so you won't have to remember to do that. And just like that, we should be good to go now. Here's Claude. You just have to type Claude to do it. If you do get an error, then do step 3. That will help the terminal find it. If you do not get an error, then you continue on to do step 4. You'll need to sign in with a subscription, which I will do here. All right, you'll need to authorize the terminal to be able to use Claude, and it should be nice and happy now. Just yes through all these things for now. And we'll go ahead and get Codex set up as well. All right, so to get Codex installed, go ahead and grab that with the sudo that I mentioned that I was fixing earlier. And Codex should install in just a few seconds. Similarly to before, go ahead and type in Codex, and we're gonna go ahead and get signed in for the first time. Return to the terminal, hit enter, hit yes on some stuff, and you're good to go. Now, this last step is something that's a little bit special to things that I've done in the past that I've found work really well. I'm going to go ahead and get out of Codex here. Okay, for this next step, I'm going to go ahead and do Claude with dangerously skip permissions and hit yes and yes. And then I want you to copy this prompt. What this prompt is going to do is it is going to go and set your working directory to what is mentioned in the prompt there. If you're on Linux or Mac, it's going to set it to the home directory in an AI folder. If you're on Windows, it's going to put it in C AI. And that what it will also then do is cause every single time that you want to launch Claude or Codex, if you do AI-Claude or AI-Codex, it will actually launch it from that working directory with the dangerously skip permissions tag or the YOLO tag if it's Codex, and also use the max reasoning level for the respective model. Of course, you can configure these things however you'd like, but to me, that is the way that I want to run most of the time. Now, if you have a little bit of hesitation on doing stuff with like dangerously skip permissions and things like that, you're right to have a little bit of caution there. I would encourage you to check out our site or check out our video to talk a little bit more about that specific topic on how to do that in a way that is safe. But yep, that's a video for another day. And now I'm going to paste in this and it will get this set up. All right, now that we are done, we're going to quit. And now we're going to try launching using AI Claude. But we're going to do it from a new terminal. And just like that, you can see it's running from within this folder with max effort using our current most frontier model. And we are now good to go. And just for completeness sake, we will also test AI Codex. And there we are, all set there as well. So there's obviously the next question of what do I do with this? But that is a thing for another video as well. If you want to find more resources, go to bravely.dev and check out our videos, prompts, guides, etc. Thanks for watching.